your lawnmower starts and stops like this, don't throw it away or take it somewhere to get fixed. I fixed mine for like 20 bucks. I'm going to show you how to do it. Most of the time it's not the engine. It's usually this carburetor inside here getting clogged up from old gas. I fixed it with this rebuild kit here I got off Amazon. It's only maybe $23 and some change. Comes with all this stuff. Comes with gaskets, fuel filter, air filter. So yeah, let's replace this stuff. It's a pretty quick fix. Here's some of the tools I'm going to use. Simple stuff, nothing fancy. And I got my drill, screwdriver, pliers. I probably won't even need all these. This is going to take these 2 bolts off right there. That's probably really all you're going to need as far as tools go. Alright, so let's get started from the beginning. We're going to pop this cover off. It just hinges on the bottom there. This air filter will come right out. After that, what I'm going to do is match up my socket size here to those 2 bolts. Now keep in mind the orientation that everything's on. You want to remember that as you take everything off. I'm going to take these 2 bolts out, take this plastic cover off. Now I'm going to kind of pop this off of the tube there. Okay, so see we have a gasket on here. There was one between here and this plastic piece. If you have gloves, go ahead and get some gloves on for this tube because you don't want any gasoline getting on your hands. Okay, so we're going to remove this tube here. That's where the pliers come in. Just going to kind of slide this down. I don't know what kind of clamp Honda used here. Not very good, but we're going to make it work. Let's turn this off too so it's not leaking everywhere. Alright. So, first thing we're going to do is kind of turn this to the side and get this piece off. And then we're going to turn it the other way and unhook that. Alright, so that's the old one. It's completely disconnected. It's probably just gummed up all inside here, so yeah. Let's see if this new one is going to do the trick. So I've got my gaskets. Looks like it comes with some extras too, which is cool. I'm gonna scrape off some of this. Okay, gonna be reusing this. Might need to. See, that's kind of getting stuck a little bit. No, it's not too bad. Might need to lubricate that a little bit. So let's go ahead and get all this back in. That piece on. Everything's pretty tight, but we're gonna try to make it work. I'm gonna hold everything all together, all these different layers. This is the trickiest part, getting all these layers together, holding it together like this. Now I have to get this cover over with my hand still in the way. But I'm not gonna lie, this whole process has been a pain in the ass. Come on. Now we're just gonna tighten these up. I'm just getting that tube back on the back of this. Let's open this gas up. Looks like this hook came off here too. Alright, let's give it a couple pulls. Alright, it worked. Of course I forgot to put the air filter on, so I'm going to do that now. But yeah, I don't know. Other than getting the carburetor back on with all the gaskets and everything, all those different layers, that was the hardest part, a little bit of a pain in the butt. I think it was worth it. It took me about 15 minutes total tops, and yeah, it was a pretty good little kit. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna mow the grass and go from there, but it does come with this spark plug too, so obviously I don't need that. Maybe one day down the road I will. But anyway, yeah, let's get to mowing some grass.